So today we're taking a look at the Mi Band 3, possibly the most popular budget fitness tracker available today. If we start by taking a look inside the box, the first thing we get is the unit itself. Then we find the strap, and below that we've got the charging cable as well as the instruction manual. So for those of you that have used the previous Mi Bands, you'll know what to expect, but it does still have plenty of new features, and it also looks much better than the previous Mi Band 2 that had a very ugly button on the face of the band. So the Mi Band 3 is an incredibly low cost fitness tracker that connects to your mobile phone to track your fitness activities. It also has the ability to alert you of notifications from calls, texts and other applications. With the Mi Band 3, you can also now hang up a call using the band if someone rings you. You can also read messages from text, WhatsApp, Twitter and anything else with message formats, but unfortunately you cannot reply on the band, so you can only read the message, you cannot actually respond. The Mi Band 3 has improved on the previous Mi Band 2 with a larger OLED display, improved waterproofing, it's now IP67 and a higher capacity battery. So for those of you that have never used these, what does the Mi Band actually do? Well, it tracks our exercise, it will track steps taken, distance moved and calories burnt. It will also track our sleep, deep sleep, light sleeps and total sleep, and it's also capable of tracking our heart rate, and this can be done automatic. You can set intervals or you can manually do it by pressing the button when you would like to take your heart rate, but you have to keep in mind if it's on automatic, the more often you're taking your heart rate, the more battery you're going to use. It uses the Mi Fit app on your phone, but additionally this can be hooked into Google Fit, and the Mi Fit application is also able to read and write things from Google Fit or Apple Health. Now, one of my favorite things about the Mi Band 3 is its huge battery life thanks to the new 110 mAh battery. The Mi Band 3 will last 20 days without needing to be charged. Of course, actual times will vary depending on what features you're using and how many notifications you're receiving. Another great thing with the larger OLED display, the navigation is incredibly easy and intuitive. You swipe up and down to go through the menus, you then swipe left and right to browse through those menus, and the large button on the front of the screen can be used to go back. It's also used for other features such as manual heart rate or even activating the stopwatch. Whereas the previous Mi Bands could only count steps, it's now able to accurately decide if you're walking, running or cycling. Another great feature that's been added is you've got the ability to have the band vibrate if your heart rate goes over a certain amount, or if you're running and your pace becomes too slow, you can set it to vibrate just to let you know. You can also tag new activities in the Mi Fit app, so it can learn those as well, so it's helpful if you want to tag different activities in the future. When you go back to track what you're doing, the Mi Fit app will be able to tell you what different activities you're doing. If you do lots of different sports, you can simply tag them so it gets to know what you're doing during those times. On the home screen, it shows you the time and date by default, but there are actually 3 different home screens you can choose from, and there's even one that will also display your steps. Another feature I like about this is they've added a phone finder ability. So what this allows you to do is you can press on your band to find your phone. It will make your phone make a sound so that you can find it, and it will do this even if your phone is on silent. And in terms of the actual band itself, it's not the best, but it's not the worst, and at this price point we can't really complain as it is good value. It's just a band with evenly spaced holes, so you press it in the relevant hole to fit your wrist. So overall I've been very impressed with the Mi Band 3. It's a huge improvement on the Mi Band 2, and for anyone looking for a budget fitness tracker, you're not going to find a better one at this price point. I'm glad they've decided to stick with the low cost tracker, as it's a great choice, especially for someone who's looking for their first tracker. And of course there are many other trackers on the market that can do more than this can, but at the same time they do cost a lot more money. Now, I purchased mine from GearBest, so I placed a link down in the description below for anyone that wants to purchase or just get some further information. The great thing about GearBest is it's free international shipping. Wherever you are in the world, they will ship to you free of charge. But as always, if you do have any problems or any questions about this device, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.